afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mila Nikita Jayani from the BJKR Study Program. I stand here wanting to present an idea about my favorite sport. First, I will presentation to my favorite sport is squash. What is squash? Squash is an indoor racket sport played by 2 or 4 players using small hollow ropes balls. Squash requires fast movement, so it's good for cardiovascular exercise by using a racket and a small ball in a room limited by walls. This sport is usually played indoors in a special squash arena. One of the squash arena in Jakarta, in the Gelora Bung Karno complex, and in the Central Java area in the Semarang and Jepara. In Semarang, in the Gelora Syahrini complex, and Jepara in Gelora Bumi Kartini complex. Okay, the second is their equipment include about is squash racket, squash glasses, squash ball, and squash shoes. Next, there are 2 organizations in squash. The sport is held in Kecil Court, Kecil Prof, Porprov, Kecilnas, PON, SEA Games, Asian Games, and PSA. Next, there are 2 organizations in squash. In Indonesia is PSI, Persatuan Squash Indonesia, in the Jakarta Central, and PSA is in the world is PSA, Professional Squash Association. Next, there are the basic technique for playing squash. The first is volley, drop, push, drive, lob. The volley makes the game faster and give the opponent less time to go back and think. Volley helps dominate the tee area. A volley can be an attacking shot. The basic tactic in squash is to volley in any direction possible. The second is the drop. Drop shot required good for control of the racket and balance. Swing and punch are crucial to a successful drop shot. A successful drop shot will be result in a low, close hit to the side wall. 3. Push. The blow is directed at the side wall before being directed at the front wall. The punch can be used a punch to attack and defend. The shot is almost the same as the drive shot. Next is the drive. The drive shot is the basic shot in squash. The player attempts to hit strike and close to the side wall across the width of the court, landing behind the service box. It's better to aim at the side wall. And last is the lob. Lob is done by hitting the ball softly and high. To a lob will result in the ball being hit heading towards the back wall and will be difficult for the opponent to catch. And finally, there is how to play in squash. Squash is actually similar to tennis, only you face a wall instead of other players. 2 players take turns hitting the ball against the wall. A point is awarded each time a player wins a rally. How to service? Stand with 1 foot on the service box. Hit the ball against the front wall by landing it above the service line, below the outline. The ball then moves from the front wall to the option back corner behind the short line and on the other side of the half-court line from the service spot. The ball can bounce off another wall or be hit full on. During the rally, the ball must hit the front wall with each stroke but can hit another wall before or after it. The opponent must hit the ball before the second bounce. Player can hit the ball before it bounces off on the floor. Players can use all the courts once the surface is hit. There are no restrictions on where to run. Next, the ball is declared out if touching a barrier or exit line, when hitting above the line outside the corner, when service or during a rally, when punching on the floor more than once before being hit, when the serve lands in the wrong area. A score is calculated if the player who wins the rally score points. A game goes up to 11 points. If the score is 10, the play continues until a player wins by 2 points. A match consists of 5 games. There are two forms of squash court. The first being the glass court. The first playing glass court and Indonesian is in the Jakarta and Bandung. The world court is in Jakarta and Jakarta, Bandung, Kalimantan, Sumatera, Bali, Semarang, and Aceh. Okay. Thank you for attention and see you next time. Bye bye.